Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to have a look at taking Equatio in and out of exam mode on a Windows device. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the Equatio menu and options. From here we're going to type in the word admin settings anywhere on the page. You can also select Ctrl+Shift+Q and you just need to click on the page and type in admin settings. From here you can set a password for your exam, and then you're allowed to toggle on exam mode on and off. You'll see it's just the screenshot reader we've got access to now we're in exam mode.
Two lines, line 1, prove that line 2, the repeating decimal 0 point followed by repeating digits 46 equals 46/99.
To return it back to its normal mode, it's back into the menu and options, again typing in admin settings or selecting Ctrl+Shift+Q. That then opens the admin settings menu. Pop in that password that you put in before and you'll be able to toggle off exam mode, returning Equatio back to its normal settings.